So you're thinking about selling your home. Let's make sure it stands out from the rest. So before you list, getting it market ready is important to attracting serious buyers. So today I'm sharing how to make your home shine and stand out in a competitive market. Hey, what's going on? This is Fred with the Fortune team, and today I'm going to talk about how to get your home to stand out in today's market if you're looking to sell. I remember helping an owner sell a condo, and there was a lot of scuff marks on the property. And not only that, he was actually missing the backsplash in the kitchen. And he thought it was a great idea to list it, put it on the market, and just let the buyer decide what they want to put on the backsplash. Come to turn out, we had a lot of people come take a look at the home, but nobody wanted to put an offer. And it's just minor little small things like this that could deter buyers away from actually putting an offer on your property. So that experience actually proved how first impression really matters when selling. Whether it's your first time selling your home or you sold a home before, preparing your home makes all the difference. So before you make a move, let's go over these next steps to ensure you're set up for a successful sale. Okay, so step number one, you want to clean and declutter. Buyers have a hard time imagining themselves in the property. So we always recommend our sellers to remove personal items, pictures on the wall, unnecessary furniture that do not need to be there and that's taking up a lot of space. We suggest just packing it up in a box, putting it in the garage. That is totally normal for sellers to put a lot of furniture, a lot of boxes in their garage. It's not a big thing, but we want to give the buyer an opportunity to imagine themselves inside of the property with their furniture, their pictures, and their photos. And this can really elevate your home presentation and make it stand out for buyers. So next point I want to talk about is making your home move-in ready. So you want to do a thorough inspection of the interior and the exterior. And specifically, I want you to take a look at the walls. Are there any scuff marks on the walls that could probably be painted? Is there any smells of cigarettes? We want to kind of get that away. If there's carpet in the property, you want to get the carpet cleaned. Any scuff marks on towels, we kind of want to get those towels replaced to make the home stand out in a much better light. Same thing on the exterior side. If there's a fresh coat of paint that could be done, we definitely recommend that. Pressure cleaning the driveway too as well. And just touching up the landscape just a bit. Fresh flowers, new grass if need be. So even small improvements can signal to the buyer that the home is well maintained. And then you'll actually attract serious buyers and serious offers. And so tip number 3 that I suggest is staging your home. Staging your home is very important because it allows your buyer to see the flow, the functionality of each room. So you really don't have to hire a professional stager, but you do want to kind of just keep in mind the flow of each room, the functionality of each room, and see what pieces of furniture should stay or go. You can also consider renting out modern furniture if your furniture piece is kind of outdated. So light, neutral colors tend to make spaces look a bit larger. So please don't underestimate the power of a well-lit room. This next step here is probably one of the most important steps, and it's pricing your property right. We want to make sure we price it not too high because we could scare off potential buyers. And we don't want to price it too low because we don't want you to lose out on potential equity. And as a local expert, I can help analyze comparable sales and also current market trends and buyer demands to come up with a competitive price that can get you top dollars for your house and attract offers. So it's important to trust a real estate professional like myself to help you come up with a competitive price to get your home sold. And the last key point I want to talk about is actually partnering up with a good real estate agent. Selling a home is more than just putting a sign in the yard. A great agent will help coordinate showings, get feedback, and any curveball that might come up during the transaction. So most importantly, the right agent advocates on your behalf. Make sure you net the most money possible, and they also help reduce your stress and help you focus on your next move with confidence. So always remember, when your home is prepared well, priced correctly, backed by a local real estate expert, you put yourself in a position for a successful sale. So if you're looking to get your home sold in today's market, price your home properly, stage it properly, and sell in a timely manner without the stress, click the link in below. And if this video was helpful, like, subscribe, share it with a friend. I look forward to helping you get your home sold for top dollars with the less amount of stress.